In a time long ago, beyond the reach of modern memory, there lay a kingdom veiled in mystery and obscured by the sands of time. This was the Kingdom of Eldoria, an ancient civilization whose existence has only recently resurfaced in the hushed whispers of explorers and scholars. Eldoria was a land of unmatched beauty and profound wisdom. Its people, the Eldorians, were known for their extraordinary talents in the arts and sciences, with innovations that seemed to bridge the realms of the natural and the mystical. Legends tell of cities that stretched majestically into the skies, with towers that danced in the sunlight and streets lined with precious stones that provided a soft, ethereal glow. The kingdom was ruled by King Alaric, a benevolent leader with a mind as sharp as a sword and a heart full of compassion. His reign was marked by peace and prosperity, a golden age where knowledge was revered, and the well-being of the citizenry was paramount. Queen Seraphina, his partner in both life and governance, was equally adored by the people. Her wisdom and beauty were said to rival that of the most fanciful celestial beings. Central to the culture of Eldoria was the great library of Arcanum, which housed scrolls and manuscripts chronicling the secrets of the universe, the history of the cosmos, and mysterious prophecies that promised to unveil the world's future. It was a place of pilgrimage for seekers of knowledge far and wide, drawing in the brightest minds from surrounding lands. Yet, as all great kingdoms do, Eldoria faced challenges that stretched the limits of even its formidable powers. Deep within the heart of the Forbidden Forest lurked a shadowy presence, a malevolent force that fed off the fears and ambitions of those who dared venture too close. Known only as the Omnivora, this entity was spoken of in fearful tones, its name uttered only in whispers and tales meant to frighten the young into obedience. Troubles began with a prolonged drought, unfamiliar to the verdant fields of Eldoria, followed by mysterious disappearances of the countryside's most noble figures. The crops withered, turning once fertile lands into barren wastelands. The harmonious birdsong was replaced by an eerie silence filled with dread and foreboding. It was in these dark times that a brave young warrior named Lysandra emerged. Raised in the crest of the Eldorian mountains, she bore the skills of nature and combat snugly intertwined in her spirit. Her uncanny resilience and connection to the elements marked her as the kingdom's beacon of hope. Guided by enigmatic dreams and whispered ancient teachings passed down through generations, Lysandra embarked on an epic quest. She sought the mythical Oracle of Solara, believed to possess the insight needed to dispel the rising gloom. With each step, the weight of her mission was palpable, the air thick with urgency. The journey was perilous, filled with treacherous terrain, volatile weather, and eerie remnants of a time forgotten. Yet, courage bolstered by purpose carried Lysandra forward. Along her path, she faced trials that tested her resolve, including a spectral guardian guarding the entrance to the forgotten cave said to hold the oracle. Upon reaching the Oracle of Solara, a revelation awaited her. The downfall of Eldoria hinged upon the ancient Treaty of Harmony, a mystical covenant requiring the balance between the kingdom's forces of technology and nature. This balance had been ruptured, and only with the restoration of harmony could Eldoria flourish once more. Armed with this revelation, Lysandra returned to her homeland, determined to fulfill the prophecy. Rallying the disillusioned spirits of Eldoria, she inspired united strength among the citizens, urging them to restore balance across their land. Her leadership rekindled trust and hope, sparking the rebirth of the kingdom. Under Lysandra's guiding light, the Eldorians re-established their sacred connection to the natural world, rejuvenated their land, and restored the glory of the great library. Eldoria's legacy lived on, not as a forgotten tale, but as a living testament to the enduring spirit of those who dared to bridge past and future. In the end, the Kingdom of Eldoria once again became a beacon of enlightenment, a timeless emblem of the ancient world's glory and wisdom.